This video is not financial advice. Let's go over the live portion. Just making sure everything is okay. Alright. So let's see. Testing. Okay, here we go. So from the 2 weeks, what we did, we used a template, and so this is after the fees for L2 Azimuth automatic trading. We've been trading mostly NQ, but as you see, some of these are ES, and some of these are 5 contracts NQ, like this one. That was NQ 5 contracts. Alright, so this is after fees. Let's go over it. First day we lost $1,000. Let's just kind of get into it. I didn't know what time to trade, but we just got on, and I forgot to lower the contracts to 3 contracts. Everything else is 2 to 4 contracts. But this is 5 contracts, and we lost $1,000 pretty quick. But going on to the next day, we got it back, 601. Day 3, 635 after fees. Day 4, 278. Day 5, we lost 68, so kind of break even for this one. Day 6, we lost, unfortunately, 278. We came back day 7, 258. So like if I lose a trade, I just try to get back to break even. So I go for another trade with 3 contracts, 2 contracts, whatever. It's easier to, well, a little bit easier, I think, to get back to break even or make a little bit of profit after fees. So 258 for day 7, 582 for day 8, 877 we were trading yesterday or last week. ES, we made 877 before the technical problem. By the way, all of this is on a sim account. So we made 877 trading ES 5 contracts, and then today after fees we made 1465. It's pretty wild. That's so strong. 1465 after fees. So yeah, this is on the sim account. I think the templates are probably good for most cases, right? They're good, but they're not the best probably. Different days, different situations, the market changes every day. Custom settings for certain days will probably still be the best. So they post their settings on the website. Different settings for different market situations, different instruments like NQ, ES, silver, gold, currencies. So if you're trading ES, for example, you might have different settings, and yeah, they keep updating the templates all the time, so you don't have to worry about outdated templates. You'll get new templates, so that's pretty cool. All right, that's about it. That's all I got. Check the link in the description for more info. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.